Okay, so let's say we want to solve square root of 3 tan of 4 theta minus 1 equals 0. And we want for all thetas that are between 0 and 2 pi. So first I'm going to do is again solve for my variable expression, or term I guess, variable term. So I'm going to move the 1 over, divide by the square root of 3, tan 4 theta equals 1 over the square root of 3. I guess I should probably rationalize that, but considering I'm going to figure out what the angle is, I'm just going to pull out my chart. And I'm going to say tan is sine over cosine. So I'm going to start at the top, and if I do square root of 3 over 2 divided by 1/2, and I can do it real quick, square root of 3 over 2 divided by 1/2, I'm going to flip my fraction and multiply. I'm going to be left with square root of 3. So not going to work. My second one, and this would be my pi over 3, my second one would have been square root of 2 over square root of 2. That would have been 1, so not going to work. My last one is pi over 6. So sine is 1/2 divided by square root of 3 over 2. I'm writing this really weird. And if I flip the second one and multiply here, again I can show it. 1/2 times 2 over square root of 3. 2's cancel. So I'm going to get 1 over the square root of 3. So this one does work. So that's the pi over 6. So I know that 4 pi should give me pi over 6. And tan is positive. So let's see, tan is positive here. And tan is also positive in this part where both my sine and my cosine is negative, because then I'd get positive. So I need the pi over 6 here, plus I'm looking for the pi over 6 here. So this would be 6 pi over 6 because it's pi. So pi over 6 and 7 pi over 6. Again, divide by 4, so this was the 4 theta, sorry. So theta is going to equal pi over 24, 7 pi over 24. So again, this is going to take forever, because I got to get all the way up to 2 pi. So we're going to look at a little shortcut to do it. We know that when we come back to this, we're just adding 2 pi to both of these, right? So we're going to go ahead and see, and for tan, because it's each one basically, we're basically just looking at 1 and adding a single pi to it. If I took pi over 6 and added pi, I would get 7 pi over 6. If I added pi to that, I would get the next pi over 6. So really, I get with tan, because it goes from here to here. That's a straight line, so that would be just 1 pi. Okay, so I'm just going to keep adding pi to it. So 6 pi over 6, dividing by 4 until I get to whatever the heck is going to give me near 2 pi. So 7 pi over 6 plus 6 pi over 6 is going to be 13 pi over 6 divided by 4, 13 pi over 24. So 13 pi plus 6 pi will be 19 pi divided by 4, so over 24. Okay, 19 plus 6 is going to be 25 pi over 24. So I'm finally above pi, so that's exciting. 25 plus 6 is going to be 31 pi divided by 4, so over 24. 31 plus 6 is going to be 37 pi over 24, because I divide by 6 again. 37 plus 6 is going to be 42 pi over 24. And then 42 plus 6 is going to be 48 pi over 24. And this is where I'm going to stop, because 48 divided by 24 is 2 pi, so I hit the end of my limit. So I'm done. I probably want to go through and simplify if I can. I can't simplify much, and actually I think I screwed up here. No, I don't think I did. What's 37 plus 6? 43. Oh, I can do math. And so this would have been 49. So my last one is actually not even part. I can stop here. Once I get over 2 pi, I can stop. So these are all my thetas in that span that fit this equation.